OpenAI is reportedly planning to create a new hardware device specifically designed for AI. That could one day replace smartphones. It looks like OpenAI is working on something big. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, also revealed to the media outlet that the company is planning to build the device in partnership with former Apple Chief Design Officer Jony Ive, the legendary designer behind Apple's most iconic products.
We looked into many devices over time. We're still trying to work on first one, but this idea that computers can now think, understand, and do things should mean that there's all sorts of interfaces to build. So, as you mentioned, you could think about headsets, you could think about things that sit on a desk, you could think about, totally new things that just weren't possible at all before AI. And that's going to take us a while to get our way through all of those, but we're very excited to get going.
It's going to be a while, but we will try to make something you love.
Something real.
Something you love. Okay.
And maybe it might be a headset or it might be a...
Nothing, but something great.
As per the reports, this device will use generative AI to perform tasks and interact with users in a way that's more efficient than current software. Sam Altman also hinted about the possibility of using large language models, LLMs, on smartphones, and also discuss about its affordability. However, he feels a cheaper version of the new AI device may not be the best solution. He explained that most people are already willing to pay for a phone, and also believes that convincing people to use or carry a second device, even if it's affordable, would be difficult. Well, you must be thinking that iPhones already have Apple Intelligence and Google smartphones have inbuilt Gemini as an AI software. Then how this is different? Well, Apple Intelligence on iPhone and Google Gemini on Android are AI-powered software features built into existing smartphones. They enhance how we use our phones by improving things like voice assistance, text predictions, summarization, and smart replies. But they still rely on traditional smartphone interfaces like apps, screens, and touch controls. The key difference is no traditional smartphone interface. OpenAI's device would likely replace apps with AI-driven actions, removing the need to manually tap, type, or swipe. If successful, it could redefine personal technology the way the iPhone did back in 2007. However, this development will take time, but I'm pretty optimistic about it. OpenAI might come up with a different approach. Ironically, the man Jony Ive who helped Apple revolutionize the mobile market could repeat the magic for OpenAI. And if you are new on this channel, please like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an updates on AI industry. See you again.